All right, we're gonna use the old 983 today to load the off-road truck. I'm gonna go over there while it's super dry and try to move some of that dirt from over there where the pond site is. I got to move the drag line. It hasn't started in months. Move that. I did move this the other day. You can tell where it parks. It's got a slight hydraulic leak on those two lift cylinders. Robert's going to work on those next week, so I need to put some oil in here, go ahead and get this started, and I'm gonna move a little bit of dirt, take this to the back of the farm so that he can repack those cylinders next week. But let's get this going. We got to get the drag line going, get it moved out of the way, and then back the truck down there and start loading some dirt, hauling it to the back of the farm. All right, here we go. Let it warm up. Let's go move the drag line out of the way. We'll come back and move some dirt. Big old track loader. All right, let's go get the drag line going. See if we can really load the truck now. So it's rained like twice since I've dug the pond, and it actually came up. It was about 6 inches higher than that, but it hasn't rained in about 2 months, so everything's about dead. Rain to any amount is what I should say. But it's as dry as it's been in a long time. I want to go ahead and start scooping up some of this material and hauling it to the back. So I think I can just back the truck in right there. Drag line's actually probably fine right here. Well, let me see if it'll start up and I can just spin it around. We took one of the cables off back in February, or the chains, when I was busting rock, and we just never put it back on. So that needs to get fixed. I got a new set of drag chains for it. But let me see if this thing will start up. It hasn't moved in about 4 months. Let's check it out. We gotta watch out for wasps. Any wasp? Hello? Let's just see what it does. Let's see, I don't see anything flying after me. I did put new batteries. Oh, there's a bunch of wasps right there. Let's see, can we be gentle? Yeah. Let's aim them like that. That'll block them. Let's just see by chance if this thing will start up. We're gonna need some spray. Nope. We got a lot of spider webs. Fires right up. Let's get some spider webs out of the way. All the spider webs. All right, let's just spin it out of the way for now. Everything still moves. That was a little violent. Windshield's a little dirty. Well, while I'm at it, I'm just gonna see if it'll walk a little bit. Well, I know it will. This thing is great. You can just leave it sitting for months and months. Just fires right up and walks. I didn't even check the oil in it. It'll be all right. Oh God, that didn't sound good. Something got in a bind. I don't know what happened. Something, the track got in a bind, but it figured itself out. I'm gonna boom down over here and we'll just leave it sitting over here for now, out of the way. All right, well, dragline got used for a whopping 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll let him fix these cables here, chains. Maybe I need to get new bolts to go through there. I don't know if he can get those pins out or not. Anyways, let's go get the 983 and start moving a little bit of dirt. today's festivities. That's why we keep fire extinguishers. Yep, you'll get that on these big jobs. Well, the good thing is the whole thing didn't burn down. I guess Robert's got a new hose to fix now. All right, well, we're gonna leave it right here. Well, that's gonna end today's festivities a little bit early. I was gonna move a little bit more dirt, but I guess we're getting 4 loads today, as you saw what happened. I'm gonna go park the truck and I'll go back and recap what went wrong. All right, well, that was super exciting. Not really, but I don't know, stuff like this just doesn't even faze me anymore, I guess because it's happened enough where I just know what to expect. So when you have a bunch of old wore out junk that you play with, you expect that stuff like this is going to happen. Now, if I had a hood, that probably wouldn't have happened. I don't know, could have, but I have looked. They only made like 1,400 of these things. It's not like there's a whole lot of parts available. But yeah, I'll probably need to fab up some sort of hood. But David was filming me loading the truck. That hose right there blew, and he caught what appears to be most of it on video, except for right when he cut the camera off to come help. It all just like engulfed in this giant fireball. I kid you not, there was fire like over the cab and like towards the truck, where that hydraulic vapor, you know, got down there on the turbo and the manifold and all that. And I threw some dirt on it, grabbed the fire extinguisher. That's why it's always important to have a fire extinguisher when something like this happens. So there it is, balloon hydraulic hose. It happens. But yeah, I just wish I had caught that on video, the fire, because I'm telling you, it just like came up over top of the cab in this giant ball, and then it just kind of all went back down to where everything was burning. So there it is. We'll I'll throw some oil dry down and we'll get the hose fixed and take it to the back to work on it.